see how the before looked. And now, the after transformation, a full home design that will inspire you. This is the real design created for one of our clients, Tina, who faced a very common problem: starting a home with no furniture, no layered accents, and only the existing base finishes and architectural ceiling features in place. The solution? Choosing the right layout, furniture scale, and materials that work together, from the living area, dining space, to the master's bedroom, so the entire home feels cohesive, warm, and truly modern Scandinavian. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Look at this living area. It already has good finishes. The porcelain tiles, a light warm gray wall finish, and a cove ceiling with a wood center panel, enhanced by warm LED cove lighting and a surface-mounted ceiling light. What this room needs is additional architectural detail and the right furniture pieces to fully complete the space. Don't leave your wall plain. You can add fluted wood panels to introduce depth and texture, while also visually pulling the ceiling height upward. To balance the strong fluted texture, a light smooth wall panel is added. This keeps the wall calm and clean, which supports the Scandinavian look. You can also consider a full-height mirror. Small spaces can feel tight, but mirrors visually extend the depth of the room and help reflect light across the space. Now, place every piece with comfort and flow in mind. An L-shaped fabric sofa layered with neutral and muted green throw pillows anchors the seating area and naturally defines where the living zone begins. Its soft fabric finish balances the glossy floor and wood ceiling, so your space feels warmer, calmer, and more relaxed. You can pair it with nesting round wood coffee tables, styled with minimal tabletop decor. The curved shape softens the seating zone, so movement around the sofa feels smooth and natural. A neutral area rug grounds the furniture on the porcelain tiles and adds soft texture underfoot, helping the seating area feel complete and comfortable. To keep the wall visually active, a large framed wall art with a mounted picture light works well. The artwork introduces soft shapes and neutral tones that support a relaxed, balanced mood. A slim floor lamp with a simple form and warm light tone blends naturally with the wood finishes and neutral fabrics, adding layered lighting without visual clutter. Placed nearby an indoor plants, it introduces natural color and texture, helping balance the hard finishes and making the space feel more breathable. The entertainment area is positioned under the stairs and designed to feel focused and visually calm. Here, vertical wood slats are installed to visually tie the entertainment wall to the seating area, enhanced with LED strip lighting for added depth and brightness. A marble-look wall panel with soft backlighting is placed directly behind the TV to create a strong visual anchor and elevate the entertainment zone. To keep the area visually light, a neutral floating TV console is used. Its floating design frees up floor space, making the area feel cleaner and easier to maintain. Another medium-height indoor plant with a clean planter is placed on the TV wall. The greenery softens the strong lines and gives your eyes a place to rest. Together, these elements create a living area where every piece supports the next. This look can be achieved for an estimated total of $2,900 to $3,200. And if you want similar pieces, you can find them linked in the product tags. Similar to the living area, this dining space already has polished base finishes, so there's no need for major changes, only the right additions to complete the design. The design starts with a flat wall panel to anchor the dining wall and give the space a clear visual center. Next, a solid wood dining table acts as the main anchor of the space. Its rectangular shape works well for daily meals and small gatherings, so the layout stays flexible and easy to use. Scandinavian dining chairs are added to keep long meals comfortable while maintaining a light, clean look. A neutral area rug defines the dining zone and visually ties the table and chairs together. This adds texture and comfort underfoot without overpowering the design. Placed along the dining wall, a low-profile sideboard provides storage for daily items like plates and linens without blocking light or movement. Centered above the sideboard, a single large wall art with a slim picture light adding personality and a soft glow, keeping the wall calm but intentional. On the opposite side, a set of floating shelves adds decorative display without visual weight, while an open shelving unit is added to introduce vertical interest and light storage. You can style the shelves with minimal decor like books, ceramics, and small plants, so they add texture without making the area feel busy. Then, floor-to-ceiling curtains control light without blocking it. The light fabric keeps the dining area bright and prevents heavy shadows while making the window feel taller. To complete the look, indoor plants bring life and softness into the dining area. Each element works together to create a dining area that feels balanced, warm, and easy to use. This complete dining setup can be achieved for approximately $2,645 to $3,000. For the master's bedroom, the design focuses on adding layers, comfort, and clear function without overcrowding the space. The design starts with a wall panel to clearly define the sleeping zone. This panel adds depth and structure without overwhelming the space. Placed directly in front is the low-profile upholstered bed. The upholstered material softens the sleeping area, so the space feels more relaxing and comfortable. A gray area rug grounds the sleeping area while adding softness and comfort underfoot. Beside the bed, you can add a fluted bedside cabinet designed to store daily essentials without visually closing in the room. You can add decorative accents above it, but keep them minimal so the space stays clean and calm. A single large artwork with a slim wall light is centered above the bed. One artwork keeps the focus calm, but still adds personality and warmth to the room. To bring life and softness into the bedroom, you can add indoor plants, so the room feels calm and lived in. Now, this area also works as your reading and styling nook, a quiet corner inside the master's bedroom. You can add a low-profile storage sideboard placed against the wall. This provides closed storage for personal items. On top of the cabinet, minimal decor and a single framed wall art add character, but are kept simple to avoid visual clutter. A vertical slatted accent panel with LED strip lighting adds height and softness to the corner while creating warm ambient lighting. The upholstered lounge chair becomes the main piece of this nook. This chair gives you a dedicated spot for reading, scrolling, or quiet time. In the corner, you can install built-in open shelving to provide light storage and display. Styled with books, ceramics, and small objects, the shelves add depth without clutter. You can place a pleated floor lamp to support reading and evening use, adding soft light without relying on overhead fixtures. For the entire window, hang floor-to-ceiling layered curtains. They filter light during the day and create privacy, so the space feels comfortable at any time. Everything in this area works together, so your bedroom gains a calm, hotel-like atmosphere that feels intentional and well-designed. This master's bedroom setup can be achieved for approximately $3,080 to $3,300. If your home feels unfinished or hard to arrange, it's not because your space is small, but because the design was never planned as a system. When everything comes together, the total investment is around $8,445 to $9,500, and this is the kind of transformation you can achieve when your home is designed with intention, not guesswork. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.